Most people are lazy, and it's something that it's not polite to talk about. And they're surrounded by people who think the same way. As much as 95% of your thinking is determined by the people that you associate with on a regular basis. If you associate with people who don't work hard, don't learn, socialize after work, then you become like them. You think like them, you talk like them, you dress like them, you marry them. And so you're married to someone who also has no ambition. And you raise children, and your children have no ambition. Just go to work and complain about your work. But top people associate with other top people. There is what you've heard about the law of attraction. And the law of attraction says that if you change the way you think, you start to attract new people into your life. If you become aggressive about personal development, you start to meet other people who think the same way. And the old groups of people that you associated with fall away. So people say, well, where do I find positive people? First you become one, and then you'll naturally attract them.